The Earth is called the blue planet, not only because of the blue of its oceans and forests, but also because of its rich biodiversity, in which animals play a prominent role. Animals are an indispensable part of this planet, creating a rich and balanced ecosystem and contributing to the unique natural beauty that cannot be found anywhere else in the universe. We will explore how animals make the Earth a livable, beautiful and diverse planet. One of the most important factors that animals bring to the green planet is biodiversity. The Earth has millions of different animal species, from large ones like elephants and whales to small ones like insects and microorganisms. The presence of many different animal species helps maintain ecological balance, develop ecosystems, and make the world more diverse and rich. Each animal has a role to play in the ecosystem. Bees and butterflies pollinate plants, birds hunt insects, and fish help maintain the stability of aquatic ecosystems. This balance not only helps the natural environment to develop sustainably, but also adds to the beauty and vitality of the Earth. Animals live in every environment on Earth, from lush tropical forests to arid deserts, from deep oceans to high mountain peaks. Each species has unique biological characteristics that help it adapt to its environment, thereby creating unique richness and beauty for the planet. The presence of animals makes nature more vivid and beautiful. Images of flocks of birds flying in the sky, fish jumping out of the water, or lions hunting on the grasslands all contribute to creating a magical and vivid picture of nature. Wilderness areas on Earth, from the Amazon rainforest, the Sahara Desert, to the African grasslands, are marked by the presence of animals. Wild scenes such as elephants migrating, lions hunting, or tropical birds flying through deep green forests make up the unique beauty of world nature. Animals bring color to the planet, from birds with their bright feathers, colorful butterflies, to fish with shimmering colors in the ocean. They make the world more diverse and vibrant. Each color on the feathers, scales of fish, or wings of butterflies is not only a means of survival, but also contributes to the harmony and brilliance of nature. Animals not only contribute to making nature more beautiful, but also play an important role in maintaining and protecting the planet's ecosystems. Each ecosystem has its own unique animals, which form the characteristic beauty of each region on Earth. Rainforests are home to thousands of animal species, from monkeys and jaguars to unique birds and insects. The abundance of animals helps maintain the ecological balance of the forest and protect rare plants. The vibrant beauty of the rainforest cannot be without the colorful animals and their vitality. The ocean covers a large part of the Earth's surface and is home to countless marine life. Colorful fish, vibrant coral reefs, and giant animals such as whales and sharks make up the magical beauty of the underwater world. The presence of marine animals not only The vast grasslands are home to many large animals, such as zebras, lions, antelopes, and elephants. The majestic scenes of herds migrating across the savanna, the contrast between predators and prey, all create the beauty and vitality of the green planet. Animals not only play a role in nature, but are also an endless source of inspiration for a human culture and art. They appear in works of art, literature, music, and spiritual symbols of many cultures around the world. Many animals have become symbols in the beliefs and cultures of different peoples. The dragon in Eastern culture symbolizes power and prosperity, while the eagle is a symbol of strength and freedom in the West. These symbols not only represent spiritual values, but also reflect admiration and respect for nature. Animals have been the subject of many famous works of art. From paintings of wild animals to sculptures and musicals, they have contributed to the richness and diversity of human art. Images of animals in art not only celebrate their beauty, but also serve as a way for humans to express their close connection with nature. Animals play an indispensable role in maintaining the balance of ecosystems and the health of the planet. Not only are they part of the food chain, but they are also important indicators of the health of the Earth. From their presence, numbers to their behavior, they are all indicators of environmental and ecosystem changes. Animals can reflect and measure the health of the blue planet. A healthy ecosystem always has high biodiversity, including many animal species with different roles. The abundance and diversity of animals not only increases ecological richness, but is also a decisive factor in the resilience of the ecosystem to environmental impacts. In an ecosystem, the presence of many animal species helps maintain the food chain and prevents the overgrowth of any one species. When animal species disappear or decrease in number, this balance is broken, leading to an imbalance in the habitat and negative impacts on both plants and other animals. When biodiversity is reduced, it is often a sign that an ecosystem is in danger. The decline in the numbers of certain species, especially those at the top of the food chain, such as lions, sharks, or eagles, often signals the deterioration of the natural environment due to loss of food sources or destruction of habitat. The extinction or decline of animal species is one of the clearest indicators of environmental problems. Many animal species have disappeared completely due to factors such as habitat loss, overhunting, pollution, and climate change. The disappearance of these species is not only a loss of biodiversity, but also a warning about the health of ecosystems. Animals at the top of the food chain, such as tigers, lions, sharks, and eagles, are often the most at risk. When they decline in numbers or disappear, it signals that the entire ecosystem below them is in trouble, whether due to lack of food or loss of habitat. Climate change is one of the biggest challenges to the health of the Earth, and animal behavior is one of the first indicators of this change. Animals often respond quickly to changes in their habitats by migrating, changing their feeding habits or breeding timing. Animals are not only indicators of the health of the Earth, but also natural alarms that help us recognize environmental risks earlier. Changes in the numbers, behavior, and distribution of animal species can help humans predict and respond to environmental changes before they become irreversible. The presence of environmentally sensitive animals, such as corals, frogs, fish, and birds in urban areas, can be a sign of low levels of pollution. When these species begin to disappear or migrate from the area, it is a clear sign that the environment is seriously polluted. To ensure that animals can continue to serve as indicators of Earth's health, we need solutions to protect and maintain biodiversity and the habitats they inhabit. One of the most important ways to protect animals and the planet is to maintain biodiversity. By protecting natural areas, national parks and wetlands, we can ensure that animals are safe and healthy habitats. Environmental pollution and climate change are the biggest threats to animal health. Reducing greenhouse gas emissions, protecting water resources, and controlling pollution will help maintain animal habitats and ensure the survival of natural ecosystems. Animals are not only part of the planet, they are also important indicators that help us better understand the health of the Earth. From biodiversity to migratory behavior to responses to climate change, animals provide us with The Earth cannot be a sustainable place without the presence of animals. They are an indispensable part of the ecosystem, playing an important role in maintaining the natural balance and protecting the environment. Without animals, our world would face unprecedented challenges in history. Therefore, protecting and maintaining the existence of animal species is an urgent task for all mankind.